So with the influx of AI projects coming our way, we thought it'd be fun to start a series of bite-sized videos covering all developments in the AI world. If you're not caught up in this space, don't worry, I've got you covered here. Just follow our pages, we'll be dropping a series of videos on this topic. Today, we're discussing a company called Rabbit. Rabbit just unveiled some serious tech that's got the whole AI industry talking. In their keynote, they introduced a revolutionary new foundation model that powers an equally innovative consumer mobile device. Let's unpack it here. Rabbit's mission is to create a device so simple and intuitive, you wouldn't need to learn how to use it. Their goal is to break away from the confines of app-based operating systems and usher in a new era of natural language-centered devices. They're building a computer called the Companion that you can talk to, that's able to understand what it's being asked and help you get things done. The problem with smartphones is that they're overloaded with apps, and the top-ranking apps in the App Store focus on entertainment. This makes productivity a challenge rather than a convenience, making your mobile device a time killer rather than a time saver. The problem? It's not the hardware, but rather the operating system. Fumbling through endless apps and interfaces, clicking through multiple pages, checkboxes, and buttons to get things done. Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon tried to solve this problem and streamline our lives with voice assistants like Siri, Cortana, and Alexa. But if you've used them yourselves, you know that they can often fall short, often struggling to understand what you're talking about or failing to accomplish tasks efficiently. While large language models like GPT have made it easier for machines to understand you, as of today, they still struggle to translate intent into action. Rabbit aims to change this with the introduction of large action models, or LAM for short. It's designed to understand any interface regardless of platform and execute human intentions seamlessly by triggering actions on those interfaces. Rabbit's pocket-sized mobile companion, the R1, is powered by LAM and designed in collaboration with Teenage Engineering. It is equipped with a push-to-talk button, a touchscreen, you have your analog scroll wheel, a microphone, and a 360-degree rotational camera, and then your usual Bluetooth, internet, and global network connectivity. What sets Rabbit apart is its lightning-fast response time. Just push to talk like a walkie-talkie, ask Rabbit anything, and it will respond in 500 milliseconds. You can play songs, call an Uber, order food, generate a personalized travel plan, or book flights, hotels, and cars. You can also use it as a real-time bi-directional translator, removing barriers to communication. The 360 rotational camera on the R1 lets you interact with your surroundings in real time. You can create a low-calorie recipe using the ingredients in your fridge, or have it take a look at a spreadsheet you're working on and help you with it. That's not all. For actions that the R1 doesn't know yet, you can enter Rabbit's teach mode and have it learn new interfaces. The R1 is a new generation of mobile device that makes it faster and more intuitive to direct actions compared to the app-based OS, which was introduced 15 years ago. You will basically be able to teach R1 to do things your app-based phones simply can't. And the R1 is one of many products coming our way from many different companies, all trying to explore this new design space available to them. When you compare this to a $1,000 smartphone or $600 AI pins, Rabbit R1 comes at only $200 with no additional subscription cost. So in my opinion, it's a great introductory device to play around with this technology. Set to ship around Easter of this year, there's definitely a lot of hype to see if Rabbit is able to change the way we interact with technology and help make complexity a thing of the past. So if you ended up pre-ordering an R1 like us, definitely drop us a comment as we're excited to receive ours as well. And if you ever have questions around AI, we're having conversations with businesses daily about how it impacts their day-to-day or interactions with customers. But that's it for this video. We'll definitely see you on the next one.